Are you missing something while uploading a YouTube video? If you are, just watch the old video. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. Hey guys, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. In this video, I'm going to show you one basic video setting which you are missing while uploading a YouTube video. And yes, in case if you are missing that and if you want to spend less time while uploading a YouTube video, this feature might be very helpful for you. See guys, this upload defaults help us in reducing the time while uploading a video in YouTube. Rest I will show it on my laptop so that you will get a better idea what I am talking about. So we can jump into my laptop. Okay guys, first I will take one of my video which I added recently on my YouTube channel, and I will show the default text which I added as a description there. See here. Okay, fine. Here from here onwards, join my Facebook group to build a community onwards. The gear I use, follow me in social media, next upload after 2 days. If you like the video, don't hesitate to give your valuable comments, cheers, and few hashtags as well. Okay, fine. If you want to add this text for the upcoming videos, you don't have to spend time by typing for each and every video. You can add the same text on upload default. Wait, I will show you. Go to the channel logo on top right side here. Click here. Click YouTube Studio. Okay. And the next thing is go to settings here on the left side. Go to settings and you will see the option upload default. Click upload default. I'll show the text which I added on my video. Join my Facebook group to build a community. The gear I use. Let's connect. If you like this video, don't hesitate to comment below your thoughts, your comments, and more valuable to me. And after that, some hashtags. If you want to set advanced settings, category is there. If you are looking for science and technology, entertainment, you can set it from here. And the video language, everything is there. You can add the tag from the extras features and essentials features. You can even add the titles also from here. So what I'm saying is, no need to spend time for typing the text for each and every single upload like this. If you like this video, don't hesitate to comment for our video. Join our Facebook community. Follow me in social media. The gear I use. You don't have to type each and every single time. You can just type and set it on upload default. That is more than enough. And there is one more way to redirect to upload default, that is youtube.com/upload_default. You can either use this method or you can go through by clicking the YouTube Studio method. The page which you are seeing now is a YouTube classic one. It is not the YouTube Studio one. You can even set the upload default from here also. So there's no need of any confusion. What you have to do is just go to youtube.com/upload_defaults. Just go to channel option. Under that you can see status and features, monetization, upload defaults, branding, and advanced. Go to upload defaults and you can see here whatever you want to change from here. The description, title, tags, the comments and ratings, monetization. If you want to add monetization, you can add privacy option, category, everything is there. And the next step is, when you're going to upload the video, it will automatically add all the text which you have already added in the upload default feature. I will show it. Go to the video upload button and choose any video which you like just for now. Okay, just for now. And after selecting a video, just see the description. Just see the description. Whatever description and title you added in the upload default feature, it is automatically added in the description. That's it guys. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos and we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in the next video.